Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, coming on stage now is the Dipilatsa Kakobokwe cultural troupe from the Republic of Botswana. This dance troupe was established in the year 1997 as a non-governmental and non-profit-making organization. The group is based in Molepolole village, 60 kilometers west of Gaborone, the capital city of Botswana. The group is mainly composed of young school leavers who act as custodians and advocates of the presentation of the Tswana culture through music and dance. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, today the dance troupe will perform a traditional dance, Reko Kapula, that is performed before the plowing season to pray for the rain, and the second dance, El Nino, where they talk about the heat from the scorching sun. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the Dipila Tsakakobokwe cultural troupe from the Republic of Botswana. The troupe is here, Your Excellencies, courtesy of the cultural cooperation between the Republic of Kenya and the Republic of Botswana. The group has been in Kenya for the last 2 days, and Your Excellencies, tomorrow the troupe will be having a free show at the National Museums of Kenya. They now prepare to present the Yatu items. Welcome, Your Excellencies. Makofi kwa Dipila Sakakobokwe dance group from the Republic of Botswana as they leave the stage, ladies and gentlemen.